Hi guys, this is Anita. So it's Christmas and I love all these seasonal vegetables around, and I got beetroot growing in my garden. So what more than to make beetroot halva for Christmas? It's red, earthy, full of flavor and all the stuff that I love. Coconut, dates, almonds, and it makes a delicious dessert for Christmas. So the ingredients that you need about 5 to 10 almonds chopped, about 5 to 7 dates chopped. If you're making the recipe for around 4 people, then you need about 4 beetroots, and they have to be fresh, not the ones that you found with the vinegar in it. It has to be the fresh ones. And you need about 3 tablespoons of coconut cream, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And the way to do the beetroot is you need to peel it and grind it to the smallest fine settings in your food processor. So now we got good to go. I'll switch on my pan. The first thing you do, you put your tablespoon of coconut oil. It's such a simple dessert that can be done in about 10 minutes. And this can be done ahead of time and just put in your fridge to chill. So the next one, while the oil is heating up, you just bung your beetroot in and let that cook. So this should take about 5 minutes to cook, because you want all the water to evaporate. And the good thing about this is there's no sugar at all. It's the beetroot that will give the sweetness and the earthiness to this dessert. So this is going to cook for about 5 minutes. So this has been cooking for about 5 minutes, and as you can see that the liquid's been reduced. At this stage, you add your coconut cream in it and let that cook for about a couple of minutes. You need to lower your heat because you don't want the coconut cream to split up. And you can see the color changing into like a pinky color. So that's what you want. So just cook this and make sure you keep on stirring all the time, because you don't want the beetroot to stick to the pan, and you don't want that burny taste for the dessert as well. And now at this stage, what I tend to do is you put your dates in, and you only put half of the almonds in because you need the other half to garnish it. Oh, the smell is just lovely. You can smell the beetroot and the coconut coming through, and it's just delicious, and it just reminds you of, all the festivals that come through. So this is nearly done. And you will see that the beetroot starts shriveling a bit. And what you could do is, what I like to do is put a bit of cardamom and nutmeg to this dish as well. So just about a pinch, and it just lifts your whole dish up. Just a pinch, just sprinkle through it, and put this at the last stage because you don't want the spices to burn. Now this is ready. So what I'm going to do is just plate up. Delicious. Then it's full of nuts, full of dates, just all the goodness that you can find. And the best thing is it's sugar-free. There you go. And a sprinkle of almonds just on top to finish it off. And that's it, guys. Do enjoy it. And you can make this on any occasions. It's just a nice festive dish. And I'll see you next time. Do give me a thumbs up, share, like, and have a nice Christmas.